Ultra-Shear Solid Carbide Spiral 2-flute pattern bits deliver beautifully clean cuts with minimal feed resistance, even when using palm routers. The spiral design keeps some portion of the cutting edge in contact with your workpiece throughout the rotation and slices at a skew angle to the grain. This results in remarkably clean cuts that need minimal sanding. We offer the 2-flute pattern bits in both upcut and downcut grinds. Upcut is usually the best choice for solid wood. The downcut version delivers a flawless top edge in plywood, even when the face veneer is paper thin. With 1/4-inch shanks and super sharp cutting edges, even a cordless trim router can give you an excellent result. We manufacture the bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. The Ultra-Shear Solid Carbide Spiral 2-flute pattern bits. Perfect pattern routing in any router on any material. Order yours today.